Friends. Your friends are the followers you have on your Snapchat account. These followers can see your posts, and you can see their posts too. Open Snapchat and tap on the upper middle icon, and you'll be in your profile screen. By tapping on Added Me, you can see who added you as a friend, so you can add them back. If you tap on Add Friends, there are 5 ways to add friends. You can add by username, from your address book, by snap code, by nearby, or you can share your username with other smartphone tools. Add by username. For this option, you need to know the username of whom you want to add as a friend on Snapchat. Add by address book. For this option, you would need to verify your phone number, so Snapchat can access your phone's address book contacts. Beware that it is not a good idea to have the same phone number attached to different Snapchat accounts. You'll see a list of contacts in your device's address book that are in Snapchat already, but you still have not added as a friend. Just tap on the plus button to add them. If you go down in the list, you can invite all of your friends who are not in Snapchat. Add by snap code. To add a friend by using a snap code, you should take a screenshot of your friend's snap code and tap on that photo from your albums. You can also look for snap codes online. When you find what you want, take a screenshot of the snap code and tap on the photo when needed. Add nearby. Add nearby is designed to show fellow Snapchatters who are in your immediate vicinity. If you want to add a group of friends, Add nearby is the best choice. Ask your friends to open Add nearby on their phone. When they appear, tap on the plus symbol next to your friend's username to add them. Share username. With this option, you'll have a lot of options to share your username with your friends. The number of options will depend on the number of social sharing apps you have installed on your device, as well as how many contacts you already have stored in those social accounts. Back in the profile screen, you have one more option to get more friends. On My Friends, you'll have a list of all your actual Snapchat friends, as well as a list of contacts in your device's address book that are in Snapchat already, but you still have not added as a friend. From here, there are several things you can do with your friends. You can tap on one of them, and there are 3 things you can do to your friend's profile. In the settings icon, you can edit the name of your friend, remove it as a friend, or block it. In the middle icon, you can send a snap to that specific friend. With the chat icon, you can start or continue chatting with that specific friend. In order to interact with your friend should also accept you as his friend. Friend emojis. Friend emojis are a fun way to learn a little more about your friends on Snapchat. These change over time based on how you interact with your friends. You can take a look at all friend emojis on Snapchat at support.snapchat.com/en-us/article/friend-emojis. This is a private feature. Only you can see your friend emojis. Also, at this time, friend emojis cannot be disabled, but you have the option of changing your friend's emojis in the settings area of your profile screen.